So, good morning. This is my first day of officially like vlogging, like having like a studio, like artsy vlog. So I guess I'll just take you around in my day and whatnot. I have a few meetings today. I didn't get much sleep, so I might take a nap later. I work from home permanently now. I used to go into an office, which I live nearby, but since COVID happened, we got told to work from home. It'll be interesting to see if I end up staying in this apartment or not. It's a little expensive, and I would like to put that money into a house, but we'll have to see what happens with that. Yeah, let's do some work in our PJs and then go right back to bed. Anywho, got back, dried my hair, cleaned up some clothes and put them in the washer for laundry later tonight. And so played some Animal Crossing as well. I recently got a Nintendo because they came back in stock after months and months and months of them being out of stock. I'm assuming due to interrupted supply chains due to COVID. So, loving that. Very fun. I also got the Ring Fit for Switch, which is fun. I only got it the other day, so I haven't played it that much, but like that as well. I got a few meetings done today. I mean, one meeting so far. I have one coming up. I did exercise. I did get dressed. I need to write up some notes. I need to do some quick sketches for a work project. And I need to hook up a website for my cousin sometime today. So I think right now I have to mail out a package later today for a friend, so I might just start doing that and send it out later. So it is about 1:30 and I'm just going to pour myself a cup of tea. I'm getting, oh God, I hate when that happens. Oh well, we'll fish it out once it steeps. It's about 1:30 and around this time is kind of like when I hit my low point of the day. So that usually means that I will move my work computer from the station that I set up to my couch. So I just have my laptop on my couch and I kind of cuddle up and do meetings and work on there until I get another break. So far I've just been working on some infographics and yeah, nothing really too exciting. Just putting on my heated blanket. USPS, whatever, to mail my packages to my friend and sister, where they live, and stupidly I sent them a tracking number with the prices on it, but whatever. It's one of those days where I'm just not thinking, because I'm overtired. So yeah, that's that. I did back there, this box, I got it in between meetings, and it's my art easel that I've ordered, so I'm super excited about that, but I'm crashing now, so I think I'm gonna take a nap and then open it up and set it up potentially. I do need to work on my iPad later for a pet portrait I'm doing for my coworker, so I don't think I'll be getting the opportunity to use it tonight. And I got these giant canvases at Michael's the other day when they were having a buy one get one, so I'm super excited but also super tired and not really coherent. So peace out, Girl Scout. So I just got done playing some Animal Crossing, and look who came to snuggle up next to me. Hi, baby. She's a little sleepy. She's purring. So yeah, we just did some research, played some Animal Crossing. I think I'm going to edit some of my Etsy shop, do some admin stuff there, but I'm happy this little love bug cuddled right up next to me. So there's nothing like having an animal come up to you and being like so loving and affectionate. So Maple I actually got during quarantine when it first started. I got her April, I think it was April 4th. And I adopted her from this like really rundown shelter and got her out of there. So, and she likes to cover her head when she sleeps. So yeah, she's my quarantine kitty. But anywho, off to do some more work. you.